There's so many animals.
Yes, beautiful, innocent animals.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Why do I get a
water.
weird feeling right now?
I don't know. Is your tummy okay?
Well, I guess I'm just nervous that...
Okay.
Well, I guess I'm just nervous that... Mumei!
What?
Mumei!
Where are you?
I saw that!
What?
I saw what you did to that cow!
I don't even know what I did.
I saw that! You look pretty tired. Maybe you should go to sleep.
Should I?
Yeah,
pretty
don't worry,
tired.
don't worry. I'll go to sleep after you.
Okay, well, I guess I'll just for safety, Okay, good night.
Good night, Mumei.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Fauna, it's time to go to bed. Fauna.
Yeah.
It's time to go to bed. These are baby crawlies around the pond. They're losing consciousness now.
Wait, I miscalculated.
Should I? Maybe. Oh, hey.
Oh no.
Okay.
No.
Consciousness now.
Wait, I miscalculated.
Should I?
Oh no! Wait, I didn't plan for this. Wait, I didn't mean it. I take it back. I take it back. Nature is crying. I didn't mean for it to happen this way. Wait, I didn't plan for this. Wait, I didn't mean it. I take it
Why are they children? What the heck is this? Why is it on a chicken? What's happening?
Nature is crying.
What the heck is going on? What the?
No, don't die.
Goodbye, Fauna.
Are you still sleeping?
Goodbye. No, this is just. I simply die. It's not gonna work out. It's not gonna work out. It's just not gonna work. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work.
No. No! It wasn't meant to happen this way. Oh no! I've made a grave mistake. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean for it to happen this way.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm back here. Where's all my stuff though? Oh no.
Did you respawn there?
I did, but it's all on fire.
If only I weren't such a yandere maniac who tried to get revenge over a cow.
Well, I never killed the cow. It wasn't me.
That one is still disputable. It's totally my fault, but I didn't.